Needle replacement. All right, here's what I have here. We'll open up one of these at a time. Okay, what we see here, right here is the pin. It's actually a screw, the back of a screw. Here's the needle, and here is the flute of the needle, right here. All right, here's the auto adjuster coming through the eye of the needle. Here is the flute that the thread lays in. Here is a mechanism right below the number 6. The thread, when you pull the thread, I usually use two hands. One, my left hand I hold the top of the thread. My right hand I hold the bottom of the thread with maybe a foot between. And then I pull the thread in here and it goes behind this clip. You feel it hanging up right here. It goes behind the clip and that locks it in. Now this clip gets damaged when the needle's put in backwards. Now here is a mirror. This is a mirror. This is that number 6 I showed you, the thread guide number 6. This is the bottom of it looking up, and you could see away from you is the flat of the needle, like right here. The round half moon and the flat of the needle. So forcing the needle in backwards, like maybe with a pair of pliers, you could damage this. Right here, you could damage this and this. Here's a better view. Thread comes in here, locks behind there. This is a new machine, it's in good shape. Here's the bottom of the part. Here you see the shape of the needle. The flat faces away. The eye of the needle, the flute faces the operator. Needle stop pin, which is a screw. The needle goes all the way up. All right, the flat of the needle goes away from the operator.